Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I'm really excited to share something new with you today. I have here with me our new, beautiful, I love this, Kimberbell Curated Enchanted designs. And I'm going to open this up so you can see the beautiful and wonderful designs that are in this. I love these. As you can see, there's a variety of fun projects to do. There's cinch sacks, we've got zipper pouches, pillows, hoops, all kinds of cool, really new, exciting things. And it does come with a USB. That is the coolest thing right there. I love this. So I wanted to share with you today and let you see just a quick little sample of some of our designs that are in this Enchanted Curated collection. Curated Enchanted collection. Let me get that right. All right. So to start with maybe over in this direction, we have our Majesty Crown, and I love this. These are made with a new product that we have out, and it's our leather. This is really truly spectacular. It's a new completely look, and you can see these cute little zipper pulls right here on our Enchanted. This is the Shimmering Scales coin purse, and there's a littler one. This is so cute. Can you imagine all these fun things that you could make for your grandkids or your daughters or even yourself? Because I love this for Christmas, for future birthdays. Oh, lots of fun. I wanted to show you how cool this leather is, and it does come in 3 coordinating colors. There's our silver, we've got a mint green that's called seafoam green, and then we have our rose gold. Aren't those beautiful? And these are wonderful. I want to show you a little bit about leather, including one of the techniques that we would use on the Shimmering Scales zipper pouch. And before I go any further, I've got to show you the storybook headdress. Isn't this so cute? I'm going to wear this because it's really, doesn't that make me look younger? I hope so.
You look so cute, Laurie.
All right. So to get started, I wanted to show this this embroidery leather that we have, and I love this. It's soft, it's supple, it's not stiff or hard. It's really great for stitching. I wanted you to see, it's easy to stitch on. You can see the stitching, and right here I have the mylar, and it's ready for me to pull right off. Actually, I've got it to this step, and this of course is from our Shimmering Scales zipper pouch. And I'll get back to the mylar in a second, but what I want to show you is when you're preparing these pieces, you do need to iron this. And so I just want to show you, I've got a really hot iron right here available, and I want to show you actually can iron directly on the leather. However, you can't slide it around and up and down. So I do recommend, and you can see there's no problem at all. I'm going to cover it with a cloth. I just like to be able to slide my iron a little bit back and forth when I'm pressing or creasing and preparing that for the zipper pouch. And so just for that purpose, but I do want to show you that it's very durable even though it's soft and supple. We have washed this piece, scrubbed it with soap, we've soaked it in water for a couple of days. As you can see, it is just great. There's no problems or issues with it. It didn't go brittle or anything, super soft. So I just wanted to show that to you. And then we're going to zip right back over here to this cute zipper pouch. I wanted to show you, this is part of the Shimmering Scales. It's made with our mylar, our iridescent mylar, which can be found right here in our Kimberbell mylar sheets. And this is our neutral set. And it's got this iridescent, and I love the iridescent look to it. And after you've stitched that on, you simply just tear the mylar away. That's what I think is so cool, that you can just tear this right away.
And I would like to know if you are using regular stabilizer.
I am. This very good question. Thank you, Lynn. This stabilizer is a cutaway stabilizer. It's just a probably medium weight cutaway stabilizer. But as you can see, you can just tear that mylar right away from those Shimmering Scales. And that's what gives it that added look. I really would highly recommend that you make sure you add the mylar to your project. You can see that okay? This is just so shiny. I love the,
pretty.
the glow and the look of this leather. And there you have this leather. And I love that we've got a lining. You can actually see that it's fully lined projects right there. And so you can see that it's fully lined, as well as it's got this wonderful texture, and it feels like a purse. I love that it does. It has that texture of a purse.
We have been asked if this is a product that's ready to purchase.
Yes, it is. Please find your local quilt shop. Yes, it is ready for you to purchase. In fact, I want to show off one more thing over here if I can. Look at the size of this. Isn't that amazing? And look at this beautiful
The stitching on these are just so pretty.
And we've added some glitter just for some really fun bling. And this actually fits in the size of the notebook or an iPad will fit in here. And my daughter saw this and said, please make me one of these. She loved it. And again, it's also fully lined. You can see that this one is also fully lined. And I love that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, really a lot of neat projects. Really different, and you're going to love these. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do we have any other questions? We are so excited to have you try our new Enchanted designs. This is a new curated collection, and you're going to love this. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.